Want to know the secret to making any woman obsessed with you? These 13 hidden psychological tricks aren't just myths. They're proven tactics experts use to ignite deep desire and make her chase you like never before. But here's the catch. Most guys don't know them, which is why they fail. Watch closely, because if you master these, you'll unlock the power to captivate her mind and heart effortlessly. Ready to become unforgettable? Let's dive right in. Trick number 1. The psychological effects of touching her. Syncing with her body language. One of the most effective ways to create a deep connection with a woman is by subtly syncing with her body language and physical cues. When you naturally reflect her movements, like leaning in when she does, or matching her gestures, it signals that you are attuned and connected to her on an unconscious level. This kind of physical synchronization generates feelings of comfort and trust because it is a non-verbal way of saying, "I understand you, and I'm in tune with your rhythm." The key is gentle and appropriate touch, such as lightly touching her arm or shoulder. These actions help release oxytocin, a hormone that fosters bonding and emotional closeness. This unspoken connection often makes her feel valued and emotionally safe, which greatly intensifies attraction. It's important that this syncing happens naturally and not forced. If done well, it builds rapport effortlessly, making her more likely to open up and feel drawn to you. This principle taps into a basic human desire for harmony and understanding in interactions, making physical presence and subtle connection powerful tools in deepening desire. Trick number 2. Create a sense of mystery. Being a little elusive is a highly appealing trait that creates intrigue. Humans naturally crave mystery because it stimulates curiosity and the desire to uncover unknown layers. When you don't reveal everything about yourself immediately, it encourages her to want to learn more, keeping her mentally engaged. Instead of oversharing personal details too soon, drop hints about your passions or experiences that prompt questions but don't answer them fully. This keeps the dynamic exciting and unpredictable, contrasting with the boredom that can come from predictable or overly open conversations. Mystery also signals confidence and independence. You're not desperate to be understood, and you maintain your own world instead of being completely available. This fosters respect and attraction as she feels drawn to your enigmatic side. However, mystery must be balanced with warmth. Too much distance can be misread as coldness, so combine elusiveness with genuine interest to keep the connection strong but intriguing. Trick number 3. Anchoring. Set a high standard from the start. Anchoring is a cognitive bias where the first piece of information you present influences how subsequent information is interpreted. Applying this in dating means setting a positive, high standard early in your interactions. If during a first date or conversation you present yourself as confident, interesting, and fun, she will anchor to this initial impression and assess your later behavior against it. This makes less impressive moments less damaging because the baseline was set high. It also shapes her expectations of what to anticipate from you, making her more likely to feel impressed and attracted. For example, start with an engaging story about your passions or achievements rather than small talk. Project clear intentions and qualities you want her to admire. These anchors subtly influence her perception, so putting your best foot forward in the beginning can tip the scale in your favor throughout the relationship development. Trick number 4. The halo effect. Present yourself positively. First impressions are incredibly powerful due to the halo effect, a psychological phenomenon where one positive attribute, like looks or grooming, spills over to influence overall perception. Women are wired to respond strongly to visual cues because evolutionary psychology ties physical appearance to good genes and health. By presenting yourself as well-groomed, stylish, and hygienic, you trigger an immediate positive valuation of your character and personality, even before deep conversations occur. Dressing well sends a clear message about your self-respect and status, which are traits women find attractive. Good posture, a genuine smile, and confident body language amplified this effect further. In essence, you're giving her subconscious cues of high quality, making her more open and receptive to your messages and presence. The halo effect isn't just about appearance. It sets the tone for how she interprets your actions and words. So investing in your personal presentation is a foundational step for attraction. Trick number 5, familiarity. Create comfort by mirroring preferences. Humans find comfort and attraction in familiarity. By subtly mirroring her preferences, habits, or choices, you build a sense of "we belong together." For example, if she mentions loving a particular restaurant or music genre, suggesting a date around these interests speaks volumes. It shows you are attentive, thoughtful, and aligned with what matters to her. This psychological principle is based on the familiarity effect. People tend to like things and people they encounter repeatedly or seem similar to. This creates a subconscious association of comfort, predictability, and safety, strong foundations for attraction. By tailoring experiences to what she likes, you reduce social friction and increase the likelihood of joyous shared moments. Moreover, this mirroring goes beyond activities. It can include matching her tone, pace of speech, and even small gestures, reinforcing connection on multiple levels. Trick number 6, priming. Plant ideas subtly. Priming is a technique from psychology where exposure to certain stimuli influences later behavior or thoughts without conscious awareness. In dating, planting ideas early on makes her more receptive to specific perceptions or desires you want to evoke. For example, mentioning adventurous plans or highlighting your passion can prime her mind to associate you with excitement and energy. You don't want to be pushy or obvious. Ideas must be woven naturally into conversation like background threads. This can include casually dropping hints about future plans, qualities you value, or scenarios you'd enjoy together. Because priming works unconsciously, she starts to see you through the lens you are setting, which nudges attraction and rapport forward. The art here is subtlety and timing. Too heavy-handed, and it feels manipulative. Too light, and it's ineffective. Trick number 7, the Zeigarnik effect. Leave her wanting more. The Zeigarnik effect states that people remember unfinished or interrupted tasks better than completed ones. Translating this to relationships means ending interactions or dates on a high and somewhat unfinished note leaves her wanting more of you. This psychological push to complete the story encourages her to think about you often after you part ways, increasing emotional investment and anticipation. Rather than overstaying or dragging out a conversation, knowing when to exit leaves her intrigued and eager for the next encounter. Whether a text exchange or date, ending with a fun, positive moment or teasing about a next plan will keep her hooked mentally. This tactic taps into natural cognitive processes that heighten interest and desire by deliberately not providing all the closure or information at once. Trick number 8, social proof. Show you're liked by others. Women are influenced by social proof, the idea that they'll find someone more attractive if others do too. This bias is rooted in evolution. Approval from peers signals safety, status, and value. Showcasing that you have a good social circle, are respected by friends, or well-liked socially makes you appear more desirable. This can be demonstrated by casually mentioning your social activities, being seen with friends, or having others compliment you in her presence. Social proof also signals that you are reliable and trustworthy because you pass social vetting. If you can subtly highlight your social popularity without bragging, it adds powerful weight to your appeal. Trick number 9, emotional investment. Encourage sharing. Encouraging her to open up emotionally deepens bonding. Sharing personal thoughts and feelings creates vulnerability, which fosters intimacy. When she feels heard and emotionally connected, her brain releases dopamine and oxytocin, chemicals associated with pleasure and attachment. Asking genuine questions, actively listening, and validating her emotions build this safe, emotional container where desire flourishes. This investment shifts the interaction from superficial attraction to meaningful connection, making her more likely to develop lasting feelings. It's important this feels natural, not like an interrogation, but an invitation to connect on deeper levels. Trick number 10, be authentic. Authenticity is magnetic because it shows confidence and self-respect. Pretending to be someone else creates subtle tension and mistrust, which women can sense even unconsciously. Being genuine means sharing your true personality, values, and emotions without fear of judgment. This creates an environment where she can do the same, fostering mutual honesty and attraction. Authenticity also ensures you attract the right person who appreciates you for who you really are, leading to a healthier connection. Trick number 11, be spontaneous. Spontaneity injects excitement and freshness into the interaction. Surprising her with unexpected gestures, a small gift, an unplanned fun date, or a thoughtful message breaks routine and shows you're attentive and creative. These moments create joyful memories, make you stand out from predictable suitors, and keep the emotional energy high. Spontaneity signals passion, playfulness, and that you're willing to invest effort, all of which are highly attractive traits. Trick number 12, use touch appropriately. Appropriate touch is one of the strongest ways to build closeness. A gentle touch on the arm, a hug, or just casual physical contact releases oxytocin, which helps create a sense of safety and emotional bonding. It also conveys your interest nonverbally, making her feel more connected to you. The key is to ensure touch is welcomed and comfortable. Read her body language carefully. Overly aggressive or early touching can backfire, but well-timed gentle touch enhances intimacy subconsciously. Trick number 13, be confident. Confidence shines as one of the most attractive traits a man can have. It signals belief in yourself and your ability to handle life's challenges, which is reassuring and inspiring. Confidence comes through in how you carry yourself, speak, and approach situations. It's not arrogance, but a quiet inner certainty that you're worthy of attention and affection. This self-assuredness naturally draws people in and makes interactions smoother and more magnetic. Confidence also helps overcome rejection and awkwardness, keeping you steady and attractive over time. If you want to truly master these 13 psychological secrets and transform your relationships, don't miss out. This knowledge is powerful, but using it consistently is what makes all the difference. So, if you're serious about becoming the man who captivates any woman effortlessly, hit that subscribe button right now. Join the Stoic 95 family, where we dive deep into mindset, psychology, and real strategies to help you elevate your dating life and your confidence every single day. Don't wait. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and start your transformation today. The power to unlock attraction is in your hands. Stay tuned, stay sharp, and remember, at Stoic 95, we bring you the wisdom that works.